This essay provides a basic understanding of dynamic rollover, but honestly, it's just the tip of the iceberg. There's so much more to learn, and here are some great resources to get you started. Your local flight school is an excellent resource for hands-on training and information. They can provide personalized guidance and help you build your skills. The Federal Aviation Administration, or FAA, offers numerous publications and resources on helicopter safety, including detailed information on dynamic rollover. These are incredibly valuable tools for pilots, and don't overlook online forums and communities. Connecting with other pilots online is a great way to share experiences, ask questions, and stay updated on the latest safety information.